Got him, y'all. Another one. Got him. Yeah. Reading 3-8 on a dot. Good morning, everybody. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Got another good video for you guys today. I am going to be throwing Chasebaits the Smuggler once again. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I completely wore the paint off of the wings. See what color they used to be? That's what they should look like. And once again, this is what mine looks like now. That just comes from dragging it through the woods, pulling it through cover, banging it against rocks. If you're wondering, yes, I went out and got a backup just in case I lose that one. So that's what today's video is about. Can I still catch fish with the Smuggler, even though the paint has completely peeled off the wings? So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like, hit the subscribe, and hit that post notification so you know when I put out new videos. So you guys enjoy this, and I'll be back soon. Got him, guys. Got him. Yeah, there we go. Smuggler. Smuggler grab on this morning. Nice fish, too. Nice looking fish. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a nice fish. Pull him out that salad. Pull him up out the salad. Oh, that's a nice fish. Yeah, we can get a weight on him. Ooh, the Smuggler, baby. The Smuggler. Look at that. Nice fish this morning. Yes, sir. Nice fish. Choked it. Yes, nice fish right there. Okay, yeah. Thanks. Yes. Chasebaits Smuggler. The bird lure works, everybody. It works. Yes. Out here at the Erie Canal Bike Trail, Fayetteville, New York. Nice fish. We got 3.6 on the scale there. Nice fish with the Smuggler. The Smuggler. Yeah. Got him, y'all. Another one. Got him. Yeah. Another one with the Smuggler. Am I recording? I better be recording. All right, yeah, I am. Another one. Another decent fish. Okay. Oh, he's running. He's running. This is a nice, oh, this is a nice fish. This might be my PB. This might be a PB. This one might be my 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 PB, y'all. This one might be my PB. I think this is my PB. Got him. Yes. Yes. What am I stuck on? Come on, man. What am I stuck on right now? Holy man. What am I stuck on? Come on, baby. This one might be my PB. I almost gave it I almost called it a night. Woo! I can't even talk. Almost called it a day. Yes. Am I recording? Yes, I am. This is my PB, y'all. This is definitely a PB. Look at that. Look at this fish. Yes. The Smuggler's grabbing them today. Man, I was just about to call it a day. Caught another one with the Smuggler. They love the bird lure. I'm gonna get a weight on him in a second, but yes, I'm having a great morning. Yes, the Smuggler is real. Reading 3.8 on a dot. Nice fish. He's pissed. I'm gonna put you back in. Don't worry about it. It's a bucket mouth right there. Beautiful fish. Great morning of fishing with the smuggler. Here at the Erie Canal Bike Trail in Fayetteville, New York. 2 3-pound fish. Yeah, you can't beat that. Got him right, got him right by the edge. Got him. The small one. Nothing big. Hey, a catch is a catch, right? Nice. Nice. I saw him creeping up on it. Oh, look at him. Look at that hook set, man. I'm telling you, the hooks on this thing, man. Look at that. I have not lost one fish that bites into this lure. The paint peeling off the wings does not matter. This thing will still catch fish. Look at that. It's a dink, but look, man, look at that hook set. Yeah. Let's see if we can get one sitting along the edge. Oh, got him. Yes. Got him. I knew it. Got him. Largemouth. Yeah, I hope y'all can see this. I know it's real dark. I know it's very dark. I'm gonna get the light out for y'all. Let me get the light real quick. There we go, y'all. You see it? Nice fish with the smuggler. Yep, he choked it. Got him, y'all. Oh, it's a nice fish too. It's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. Don't come off. 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 Nice fish. Yes, nice fish. Yes, nice fish. Yes. Yes. Hell yeah. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Look at that, guys. The smuggler. Yo. Yes. Nice fish. Look at that. The smuggler. The bird lure is still doing its thing. The smuggler. The paint on the wings peeling off does not matter. The fish will still eat this thing. Chase Baits, you made a great lure. Look at that fish. Let me get the weight on it. Let's get a nice release on him. There we go. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. There you go.
Catch supper yet?
Oh, not yet. Just got here. I'm not eating nothing out of here. Oh, no.
What do you got on there?
Oh, it's a bird lure. It's called the smuggler. I got the sparrow version.
Oh. You want to take that green stuff
Yeah,
off?
yeah, I know. I caught 2 3-pound fish yesterday on the other side with this thing.
What did you catch, bass?
Largemouth bass, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Any size?
Yeah, 3 pounds.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you keep them?
Oh, no. I catch and release. Strictly for my videos, that's all.
I catch them and release them, too.
Where?
I catch them and release them to the frying pan.
I knew it. You guys have a good day. See if we can snap something up. Here we guys. Yes, sir. There we go. We got us a smuggler fish, baby. Yes, sir. This feels like a nice fish. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Got some salad. Gotta pull him through a little bit of salad. Yeah, I got him. It's a nice fish. It's nothing worth, man. Well, I got him right in the mouth. Well, obviously I got him in the mouth, but oh, this is a nice fish. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a weight on this one. Oh, I barely got him, guys. Barely hooked him in the lip. Barely hooked him in the lip, but we got him. There we go. We got us a smuggler fish early in the morning. Barely had him. Can y'all get a look at that? Barely got him in his lip. Well, obviously in his lip, but yeah, this is a nice fish. I think I'll get a weight on him. Yep. Nice, nice, nice. Nice fish with the smuggler. Yeah, he's munching on my finger there. Chasebaits did a real good job with this one. Yes, sir. Another one, guys. Chasebaits Smuggler. Barely got him. Look at that. Barely hooked him. I brought him in. Yes, sir. Even with the paint missing on these wings, you will still catch fish. Yes, sir. 278 on the scale. It's not bad. It's a nice fish. Not bad. All right, let's get a nice release. Yes, thank you guys for watching that video. Really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and make sure you turn on that post notification so you know when I put out new videos, because I do a lot of fishing. We caught some pretty good fish with the smuggler today. Thank you guys for watching it. Stay tuned for more. Peace.